Hi all. So in today's tutorial we'll be learning how to make semi-hot process method of soap making. This is the kind of soap making you use heat from the caustic soda to heat your soap, right? In our normal hot process method, which you will see in my channel, is the one we heat on a stove on a low heat for like 30 to 45 minutes before your soap will be come to a gel phase, right? So that is exactly what we did here. But in this case, we use heat from hot caustic soda. In this kind of process, we just melt our caustic soda and use it immediately. We don't need to allow it to cool down. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, like and subscribe to this channel. This channel is all about skill acquisition. We teach you, is either you make money with our skill here or you save money. So I'm going to drop the recipe on the screen, so make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you will see all the recipes, all the measurements for this recipe. So this is our oil that we are using. I make use of tallow and PKO mixed together. I think it's 50-50. Yes, what we made here is 2 liters of oil, 2 liters of oil production, which is tallow 1 liter and PKO 1 liter. So I've already measured out our caustic soda. This is our caustic soda. I'm going to dissolve it with a water, right? Just normal water, just dissolve it. Do you see what I'm making? So after dissolving it, I'm not going to let this thing to this caustic soda to set it aside like our normal procedure. You have to allow it to cool down for a bit. No, we are using it immediately, just like you are seeing me doing, right? So after dissolving it immediately, I poured it immediately inside our oil. But make sure that your oil is not too hot, just little warm, right? So prevention, you hot your oil, that you heat your oil and it's too hot, is going to cause volcano, right? It's going to pop up. So I will even advise, while making this kind of soap, that you're using a bigger bowel for it, so that if you come up it won't splash to the ground, right? Yes. So after that, you heat it, you cover it to cook. You're cooking, right? You're covering it. You have to cover it and leave it for some time. From time to time you cook it. Do you see what we did here? You turn it. So this is what we do for like, you do it for like 5 minutes to 10 minutes before you pour other addictive, right? So that is exactly what we do. If you want a private training, if you want to start soap making as a business and you want a private training on laundry soap production, skincare production, bathing soap, hit my WhatsApp button. Please don't call me, chat me on WhatsApp, right? So we can start from there. We are holding classes for skincare, laundry soap, bathing soap, and all that. So I have to allow it to stay for a bit, right? Just use your description, maybe 2 minutes or 5 minutes to check it, to know if it has cooked. So that is exactly what I did here. So I also open it and add my color. You can as well add your color inside your oil, or you add it at the end of your production, depending on when you want to add it. Color is not something you add, maybe there is a time you have to add it in your production. It's either you add it in your oil, or you add it while producing, or you add it at the end part of it. So I added it here. I used yellow color, oil soluble. Don't buy water soluble, but oil soluble, right? So in another mixing bowl, we are going to measure out our addictive. Inside here is calcium. I use calcium and sulfate, right? You can decide to add the soda ash, but I didn't add soda ash in this production. Anyone at all you want to make use of, but the one I use here is just calcium and sulfate. Sulfate will increase the hardness, and also then calcium will also increase the hardness and also give it a kind of weight, right? So we are also using another water to dissolve our addictive, right? So make sure that the addictive, you can even decide to use only sulfate in this production. You will not add sulfate, right? I always tell people in my channel, if you will be following me, there is no need of you adding this one, adding that one, adding this one. it reduce the gain you will make in your soap making production. And this is our foaming booster, right? This is our foaming booster. The reason why I added foaming booster in this production, and this is perfume, like I said, the reason why I added foaming booster in this production is because I use tallow. Tallow doesn't used to foam that much, so because I want to increase the leather for it to foam very well, that is why I put foaming booster to increase the leather, the foaming. But peradventure you're using only PKO to make this soap, you are not going to use foaming booster, because PKO itself as an oil is rich in leathering. It foams very well, but not as a tallow. Using tallow will make your soap to last longer, right? So all these oils has their qualities. So, and it's part of what we learn in our private training, but I teach it free here anyway, right? You can also browse about the oils you're using in your production. Then at this point, we are going to add our addictive. You've seen what all the things we added there, which is collagen, sulfates, foaming booster, and perfume. That is all that we added there. So we'll turn it very well and also cover it to cook a bit before we pour it out. At this particular time, our soap is almost done, right? That's gelled. That's almost done. Do you see it? So you turn it very well and also cover it to cook it a bit, right? Before any other thing, right? So that is exactly what we did here. And also, we also sell soap making cutter. We have mini cutter, we have table cutter. If you want to start a mini factory, soap making factory, we are here to guide you. Just chat me up. So I've already prepared my mold before starting this production. This is for every soaper. Before you start making your production, make sure your mold is ready. If you are using cup to make your soap, make sure you've oiled your mold and all that. So that is exactly what we did. And at this particular time, I decided to pour it, right? So do you see the hotness that is coming out? Can you see the vapor of the hotness that is coming out from the soap bather? Do you see it? So that is exactly what we did here. So if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's a way of encouraging me to do more videos for you. It shows me that you support me. Share this video for people to learn. It's not only you that love good things. Share to your WhatsApp status and all that. People will learn. And if people still want to start it as a business, soap making is a lucrative business. People use soap on a daily basis, either for washing soap or for washing their clothes or any other thing. So it's after food, soap is another thing. So share this video for people to learn, just like you are learning also. So at this particular time, I opened it and pour my soap. So after pouring my soap, the next I'm going to do is to check if my soap really cooked very well. So I dip my hand inside the soap batter and it stick to my hand. Do you see that it has blocked in my hand? That is how you know that your soap cooked very well. Do you see it? Do you see that it has blocked in my hand? It's kind of, we'll call it candlestick check. Do you see it? So we'll now cover it. That is exactly what we did here, and allow it to stay for 24 hours, and then we'll cut it. Then if this is your first time, if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. So we have this mini cutter for sale. This is just 35,000 naira. It comes with mold and side groove. Do you see it? This is a mini cutter that will cut 2 different sizes of soap for you, and that is exactly what we use for this production. If you want this cutter, is available and we will give it to you if you want it, right? We will deliver nationwide. We deliver anywhere. Just chat me on the WhatsApp number so that you make order for your own. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.